Hi guys, in this video we will create a new Django project. The first thing we have to do is we have to create a virtual environment. You may be thinking why we need a virtual environment. Django projects can have specific dependencies with packages. Let me give you an example. For an illustration, if we have a project 1 and it is using a specific package XYZ of version 1.1. And now if we have another project, say 2, which is using the same package, but it requires a different version of this package, say 1.6. Now if we upgrade the XYZ package to 1.6, then it will create a conflict with project 1. So there may be issues in project 1 due to the version upgrade which we did for project 2. To solve this problem, what we can do is we can create a virtual environment. So it is best to keep your projects isolated using a virtual development environment. Virtual environments are isolated spaces you create to manage dependencies and the overall project. So let me clear that. Let's create a directory for this demo. Make directory, build Django and press enter. Let's go to this directory. We can do file, open folder, and we have to select the directory we have created in demo folder, build Django. Let's open it in Visual Studio Code. You can see this directory is empty right now. Let's open the terminal and create the virtual environment. We have to write python 3 -m vnnv and the name of the virtual environment. We can give learning and press enter. Now we can see on the left sidebar a directory of learning virtual environment is created. If we expand it, we can see all the folders in that. So now our virtual environment is ready. The next thing we have to do is we have to activate this virtual environment so that all the packages that we install goes into this virtual environment. In this virtual environment, under the bin directory, you can see activate. So let's activate it. Source learning. We have to give path here. In our case, it is learning slash bin slash activate. And if we press enter now, you can see in the curly braces learning, which is the name of our virtual environment. Now our virtual environment is activated. Let's install Django now. For this, you have to write pip3 install Django and press enter. We can see Django is installed in this virtual environment. You can check the Django version which we have installed by using this command python 3 -m Django version and press enter. We can see it is 4.2.2. Let me clear it. Now we have to create the project. For this, you have to type Django admin start project and the name of the project. For example, if we are creating this project for a restaurant, let's type restaurant and press enter. Let's collapse the bin directory, and here we can see the restaurant directory which is created by the project which we just created. Now let's go to this directory cd restaurant. Let's launch the development server now. For this, you have to write Django admin run server. Before running the development server, let's have a look into the project directory. And here you can see there is a manage.py file. Manage.py is a command line utility that works like Django admin command. So we can replace Django admin with Python 3 manage.py. The benefit of using manage.py instead of Django admin is manage.py works like Django admin, but manage.py uses the project settings. So it is recommended to use manage.py if you want to use project settings. So let's press enter, and here you can see a URL. Let's open the URL. You can copy this URL and paste it in the browser, or you can just do control and click. Let's see the browser, and here you can see our development server is running and we can see the default page.